Hi everyone, welcome to Try No Code. So in today's video we are going to talk about error handling. So how we can do that in Bubble and what will be the possible use cases in Bubble. So suppose whenever you log in and if user provided some wrong user credentials, so it will always throw Bubble's by default error message, which in some cases is not that good. So we can basically override those by default message with our customized messages. So in today's video we are going to cover that. So for that, first of all, I have made two groups for sign up purpose and for the login purpose. By using this, we are basically sign the user up. We are creating their account. So it's just a simple flow. Sign the user up. They will enter their email, password, and their account will be get created. And here we basically get that user logged in. So again, a simple flow. They will enter their email and password, and they will get logged in. And at bottom we will be able to see whatever user is currently logged in their email ID. So yeah, so let's see in the front end. So I'm going to create one ID, co.com, and I'm going to enter the password 12345 and I'm going to sign up. So as you can see, my account is created. So currently manish@trinocode.com. So I'm going to log out now. Now I will put my user ID here, which is manish@trinocode.com, and I will put wrong password 1234 and I will hit login. So the moment I hit login, you will be able to see that we are getting this Bubbles by default message that we didn't find an account with those login credentials, and we can basically going to override this one. So what we have to do, we have to go into our editor. We are going to click here to add an event, and at the bottom of the element you will be see an element has an error running workflow. You have to click on it. Then you have to select the element on which you want to do the error handling. So I'm going to put it on the login button. Now what I want to do is I'm going to show a pop-up here, or we can normally show some icon here. Or let's just show some text, and let's say invalid user credentials. I'm going to give it a red color. So yeah. So now whenever I'm going to log in, and if it is having a error while running workflow, we are going to show an element which is invalid user credentials, add a pause before next section, and then hide it. Credentials, and on page load it will get hidden. So let's try now. manish@try.com. I will enter the wrong password now, 1234, and I will hit login. So the moment I hit login, you will be able to see that Bubbles by default message won't come, and this is our customized message that invalid user credentials. And if I enter the correct password, it will get the login, and that error message will not show. So yeah, this is the useful case, and yeah, thank you.